Hey everybody, it's Black Cat. We back at it. So in this episode, we got Tone with us on his Z1000. Yeah. So we're gonna take a little ride with him on this episode. Go ahead and like and share. Hit that like button. Big Red in the mix. Alright, y'all hang on for a second. Happy Monday. What's going on? It's come on now. You know who it is. It's Kim Kim. I don't need all this. Yeah. With those thumbs up. Let's see, it's gonna go this way. Yeah. So our features right there. We're going out with the Z1000. I want to say what's up to my favorite peoples. I'm sorry? I'm sorry, I can't help you. Yeah, so you caught me off guard right there. So I want to say big up to Miss Christine. I want to say congratulations to Miss KLA for your newborn. God bless you and your new baby. Big up to the family, the Harris family. What's going on, everybody in the Harris family? Down south, up north. This is my man Tone. We want to say hello to Tone. Tone supporting the community. That's what's up. And we about to just take a ride. Again, it's Get Up Monday. Yep, it's Get Up Monday. What's going on, Yummy? I want to say big up to Nico, my beautiful black cat. What's going on, Nico? Hey, listen, all you brothers and sisters here on YouTube, liking my electric motorcycle channel, you know what I'm saying? I really want to say thank you to all of you guys, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a pleasure sitting down, learning what I'm learning, and then giving it back to you guys on social media. Like, I feel like I'm doing my part. Finally, at 61 years old. Hashtag disability. We ride. So I'm just giving y'all, you know, in the comments what y'all think. I don't like the way that bike sits, you know what I mean? I'm sitting on my motherfucker. All right. I'm sitting on my bike like I'm leaning forward on my bike. My bike keeps me in an aggressive mode. I like that. Sorry about the wind noise. That's what we got. What is he stopping for, man? Damn. Can y'all get it together, man? So we're making this left. Yeah, I don't want the bike that has this kind of mode on the sitting. You know, like my bike is like a sports bike, so I'm like always into the groove. You feel me? Like on some aggressive shit. And that bike just don't give me that type of, you know, that sit-up look. You know what I mean? I mean, it's a nice electric bike and everything, but I wouldn't buy it. You know what I mean? So it's not for me. I like V's bike. Big up to you, V. You did a good job on your bike, I'm telling you. But come on home, get that Kawasaki Ninja. What's going on, Kato? Want to say hello to Kato? My man Kato out there on his gas bike. He's going all slow and shit. Oh shit. Cars all behind us. Okay, most likely we're making a video. Yeah, I have that aggressive style look bike, you know what I mean? Like when a motorcycle sees me, they already questioning they skills, you feel what I'm saying? As soon as they see my bike. I know all y'all motherfuckers out there that's in the Bronx, wherever y'all at, if you see Big Red, you see me sitting on Big Red, y'all be questioning what the fuck is y'all on, for real. I'm eco mode, helping out with the planet, you know what I'm saying? And like, let me do my thing, you feel me? I'm old, I'm not gonna be trying to like break down clutches and gears, you know. I love the fact that this comes with positive torque, you feel me? So this torque is incredible with a lithium battery. So we're gonna upgrade my bike soon. But we're in the mix on some other stuff. You know, I told y'all that my cousin had a serious accident on the RZ. I'm gonna show y'all pictures of it. It's got blood running down the side of the bike. So, you know, he's all right though. You know what I mean? Yeah, he's all right. But the new RZ that I just bought is front end damage is really, you know, fucked up. So yeah, come on by. So he's like a beginner rider, you know what I'm saying? He's hands on, you can see that he's hands on. Ride your ride. Like befriend your beginner bikers, you know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and befriend us, you know? We in the game, that's what's important. But when you buy one of these pieces right here and you enhance it, man, it's incredible. It's incredible, yeah. I recommend it highly. Go electric. Like like again, I'm gonna get a gas bike. So you know, they got a gas Ninja over there with gears. I definitely want that for my studio. So y'all ain't saying shit, but I'm electric. Believe me. Yeah, I'm electric. Y'all sit back, relax. I want to study this road right now. All right. Peace. Yeah, he's not an aggressive rider, so. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and meet him over at McDonald's and take you guys on a ride. If he goes too slow, I want to teach him how to ride a little bit more. Like, the bike is real fast. And he's running with a lithium. But he really never gives it like what he says he don't want to never go on the highway with it just yet. So that's the honest talk of a beginner biker on an electric bike. So he doesn't want to fuck with the highway. And it's already, he bought it, you know, it's already highway, you know, built. But he doesn't realize that. He says he understands it, but he'd rather not, you know, take it on the highway. But yeah, it's all good, you know, we riding around in the Bronx on our bikes, you know what I mean? He got Frank's bike, www.franksbike.com on the plate there. Yeah, so yeah, that's the Z1000. That I would not prefer for myself. Right now, he's anxious to take off. He's comfortable in his zone, because I know it. But he is, like, I want to let y'all know, don't hug these cars like that. Don't get used to that. Every time I come down here, I'm hitting 60 and up. I turn these curves into like leaning, you know. Come on now. But we got a lot of cars. Look at the trees, man. It's beautiful. All this good oxygen over here. Look at that shit. Yeah, okay. Like the wolf right there. Like we're gonna turn inside here. McDonald's. Listen to my wheel just squeaking away. Y'all like, why don't you get that bike fixed? I swear to God, I'm trying, baby. I'm trying. I'm doing so much stuff with my money. I swear to God, they won't leave me alone, baby. Well, they won't leave me alone. Yeah. Let me show y'all this piece. Why I like it so much, you feel me? So, come on, man, you know what I mean? Like, that's like riding a motorcycle and shit. So, like, compared to this one right here, I'd rather, you know, y'all talk to me in the comments, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not feeling that as far as my personal bike. But it's a nice bike. Like, you can do a lot with this. And like I said, he's running on a lithium batteries, a 5,000 watt 72 volt. I believe he got a 48 amp battery up in here also. So Big Red is definitely running on a 48 amp 5,000 watt hub. And they come off the rack at yeah, they come off the rack. What you got? What we got here? Welch's fruit snacks. All right, we're gonna get a fruit snack on. And yeah, the Kawasaki Ninja Flywing is fire. And they have a gas one like this that I do want to get. That's on my bucket list. We're gonna hopefully get that soon. Y'all keep it locked right here. This is KTWDSK Studios Social Media Radio. Black Cat E-Bike Studios, or motorcycles, electric motorcycle studio. That's Big Red, everybody. We teach the Constitution around here. So this is my private vehicle. Don't y'all forget, it belongs to me. That's right. You got the right to travel in America.
What do we get? French fries?
All right, everybody. Take care. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.